Hello, rail fans. Welcome to another retro episode of French Fried Trains, where we look back at some older catches from a few years ago. All of these clips were taken in September of 2019. First up, a pair of AC-44 CWs, the second one still in Y&2 paint. Some foreign power here with a pair of Canadian Pacific ES-44 ACs leading this train southbound. A nice catch here as an EMD SD-43 rebuild leads a YN2-9. Another awesome catch here as a flared radiator SD-70 Mac leads a pair of BNSF locomotives. Over on the Norfolk Southern line now for a 3-locomotive lash-up with a pair of Dash 9s and an ES-40 DC. And we got a nice little horn salute with an ES-44 ACH leading, followed by a pair of AC-44 CWs, the trailing unit still in Y&2 paint. And check out this covered hopper. And an excavator on the rear of the train. A single ES-44 ACH brings this manifest in. And another one, running mid-train DPU. An AT-44AH and an AC-44 CW lead this auto rack train southbound. And a friendly engineer gives us a horn salute as a pair of AC-44 CWs lead this loaded iron ore train. This train wasn't very big on this day, only took about a minute to go by. An XC&O SD40-2 leads this empty continuous rail train. And check out the tail end. We have an old car modified to be a tool shed, and a rusty old bay window CSX caboose. And a pair of Gevos sandwich a couple of EMDs with an SD40-2 and a GP38-2 in the middle. A single ET44AH leads this one. And an ES44ACH runs its DPU. An ES44ACH and a YN2 AC44CW lead this train. We caught this one at the crossing, with a BNSF locomotive leading an SD70 Mac. And a quick horn salute there, with an ES40DC leading and an AC44CW trailing. Check that out. This CSX train has a pair of freshly painted Indiana and Ohio locomotives. And another locomotive running its distributed power. Well, folks, that's all for this retro episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.